Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a solve with a Rubik's Cube, and if anybody wants to challenge me, they're more than welcome to challenge me. And you could see that it's scrambled on the screen. And please send me some challenges. I'd like to challenge people that have the same time. And yeah, here we go. Man, can't get that today. Stupid vacuum, here we go. Hopefully you guys can still hear me and see this, because my sister's a retard and has to freaking run the vacuum for no reason, really. Kind of pisses me off, but you know that goes. What we got here? What we got right there? Broke. Not bad time. Actually, one of my better ones. Not bad at all, I don't think. Minute 17. Not bad. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and challenge me if you want to challenge me. That's basically my average time, most likely. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.